Okay, so I need to install Screencastify because I do not have it. So to do that, I'm going to click on Extensions, which is this little puzzle piece in the upper right-hand corner. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on Manage Extensions. Now, it doesn't show up in any of these, okay? So at the very top, I'm going to choose the menu with the 3 bars. And at the very bottom, I am going to select Open Chrome Web Store. I'm going to type in Screencastify. Okay, Screencastify. Here it is. I'm going to select it. And I'm going to add to Chrome. Add extension. Okay, so it shows up here. Now I want to pin that. So I'm going to click on extensions again. I'm going to scroll down because I installed it, and here is Screencastify. I'm going to pin it so that I can see it in my extensions. Okay, so here it is. Now, when you open up Screencastify, it's going to ask that you sign in. Okay. All right. Now, if I want to make a video, I'm going to go to this right here and click it. And I'm going to select desktop. And if I want to show my face, I would hit the webcam, but I don't want to show my face. And I click record. I select my screen and I share it. Okay, so here is our video. It's recording right now. If I want to write on it, I would choose a pen. If I want to put a rectangle around something, I would choose rectangle. Here's some stickers, okay? There we go. All right, so I'm gonna stop it, and my screen's gonna pop up to show me the recording. Now, over here, where it says copy share link, I'm gonna scroll down because I need to make sure that this is public. Okay, so if I click on copy share link, I would then paste that into the assignment so that I can see it. You're going to have an area right here that is going to ask you how you want it to be, if you want it private or if you want it public. You're gonna wanna set it to public, okay? Always set it to public so that I can view it.